Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will discuss about in 2006 to 2005 trading start bar Tether launched 6 million USDT. This amount is 6 times more than it
Hi guys,
launched
welcome back to my YouTube
the
channel, and
previous
my name is
year.
Result
Result as of
you'll
January
find this is fast
2001
I'll show you. Even
9 to
so this is
September
our fast attempt.
2001.
If the
Check
resistance
the
of the
number
fast
of
attempt is
Tather
broken
in
with a body,
circulation
it is no longer
grow
fast.
by
So this is our
around
fast attempt,
9
meaning our fast talk.
million US dollar to around 2 billion US dollar in early 2001. Tether accounted for around 9 of Bitcoin trading volume even into the summer of 2001.
Now we anticipating the market
Tether
to come here
accounted
and
for
not
up
we
to
don't want the body to close like that. If the body starts
920
above,
Bitcoin trading volume in January, in June
we can see here
2001.
we touched fast, we have fast attempt, we have fast attempt.
7. The Omni Foundation and Charlie Lee announced that Tether was on be published on the Omni Litecoin layer. However, in November 2001, 7 USDT was hacked by a responsible parties for 3,000 US dollar million. Tether was transferred from the Tether 3 Suri wallet to an unauthorized Bitcoin wallet address to prevent the fund from being spent, resulting in a hard fork started.
We don't want what we are looking here.
In January 2001,
we want the market to
night,
so where is
the
our neckline?
insurance
Our
of
neckline is
Tether was fast,
so we
and
will
at
identify
the
our
same
neckline
time, the
here.
price
So
of
just come here and
Bitcoin
next
fell, and the Tether
so our
launched
neckline is where we have said
T
if you want to be
night
after you have gotten all the confirmation, our
5
don't
2000
so let's
$1,000
what happens
US dollar million USDT over the
even if
previous
for me, I
months.
second attempt or second talk, whichever you want, you can say second attempt.
Amid concern over the company's solvency and ability to build banking relationship,
So for you
the
to be
benchmark
so we are waiting for
Tether falls slipped again on
so
October
we are waiting, and the market has touched the
1
it has touched the roof. So we are very close. We are closing our fingers
for
to
2001 night by
breaking. We don't know if it will break.
1 US dollar in searching price from major exchange 10 on 2 October
there is no need of waiting.
2001 night USDT announced it had redeemed a larger amount of USDT and was newborn
and now we are targeting
2,000 million USDT to represent the redemption leaving for
so the market is
for 6 million USDT in its 3 surely to use as
And you
a
can see the
proprietary.
market with our TP very, very well.
Okay
Very, very
guys,
well. So guys, what
thanks
I
for
can tell you,
watching.
is that the
Don't
minute
like,
the market has,
don't be like,
given you a
share,
confirmation
comment,
of entry, you have
and
seen- you
subscribe.
have two candles. You
And
look for bearish engulfing or WBB strategy. If it was a small candle, we could have put a
turn on bell.
if it is a small candle,
See
like
you.